Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you, and this update is for here we go again. Yes, this is Anfar. This is another Middle Eastern brand from Dubai. This one is called Platinum Shade. This is aimed at unisex, but to my nose is a little bit leaning towards the masculine side. Although anybody can rock it, really. It's quite close to the unisex. This is edited Perfume 100 ml and it retails for £75, but you can find it in the UK around £40 to £50, which is very good value for money, especially for what you get. So this one, guys, yes, it's another inspiration or wannabe or alternative copy clone of Creed Aventus, but there is a big twist to it. So I would say yes, it is about 70 to 80% close to Creed Aventus. So when you smell it, especially in the beginning, yes, this is going to be Creed Aventus. But there's with a big twist, and that twist is huge notes of berry in here. There's a blueberry in here, there's a red berry, there's a blackberry. So this berries plus the DNA of the Creed Aventus itself, which is blackcurrant, apple, and what else? Bergamot and pineapple. So you can imagine all these things are making it super fruity. So this is a super fruity side of Creed Aventus, especially the berries. The berries are huge in here, so it gives it a very fruity feel, but absolutely gorgeous. I love it to bits. Wifey didn't like it for some reason. I don't know why. She thought it's too leathery for her, which is quite correct. When it dries down, it becomes leathery and dark. So again, that's another twist. So it opens up with a huge blast of fruits, massive. It's like a basket of fruits. It's all sorts of, especially jungle fruits like berries, like almost it goes to the realm of plum. Okay, so it's quite dark berries in there, blueberries, red berries, blackberries, blackcurrant, and also you get the apple and some bergamot and some lemon in here as well, and also the pineapple is big in here. So you can imagine that huge the opening is absolutely gorgeous. So superbly beautiful in the opening, especially when it opens up for the first 10 to 15 minutes is just gorgeous. Then it goes to dry down, and the dry down it becomes more floral. The roses in here, there is a jasmine in here, there is even patchouli in here. So the patchouli gives it a tiny bit of earthy feel, and then when you go to dry down you end up with woody aspects, especially the cedar. There's no birch in here, so I'm not sure where is the darkness, or at least it's not listed. So the cedar plus the let's about vetiver in here, and the patchouli, and also huge amount of ambroxan, which unfortunately these days you cannot escape from. So there's a big ambroxan in here, and also big oisui super in here. So those two elements of the carriers, like 60 to 70% of what is in here is ambroxan plus that oisui super. So that's why I think wifey didn't like it, because she's quite sensitive to these two, oisui super and ambroxan. To some extent she can, she likes it and she can tolerate them, but when it gets to a big dose she would say no, I can't stand them. So you have to bear this in mind. To me this is gorgeous, but to her, because she got a sensitive nose towards ambroxan and oisui super, she couldn't stand it, or she didn't like it. But again, if you like Creed Aventus DNA plus big twist. In this one is a big twist, it's not a small twist, okay? So I would say 60 to 70% Creed Aventus plus what I described, huge berries, massive, also there is a nutmeg in here, there is some black pepper in here, so again giving it a little bit of spiciness and a little bit of darkness. And when it opens up, it's very bright and it's very fruity, but it gets darker and darker by the time it goes on. At the end, you feel some leathery aspect. I'm not sure if the leather is in here, but you feel something like a leathery aspect, something like a black leather jacket, okay? And also the huge amount of ambroxan in here, so you need to bear this in mind, okay? But overall, I highly recommend it. It's very, very good. It's for, especially for the money, between 40 50. I paid something like £45 for it, which is, I think, is very, very well done, and is a long lasting. Yes, this is 8+ hours. It lasted on me, I would say 6 hours on the skin, to be on the safe side, because I have a better skin than the average person. So I would say 6 to 8 hours, 6 hours being on the skin and 8 hours being on t-shirt. But the wife, because she's sensitive to this, even the next day she could smell it on the t-shirt. So it's quite a long lasting fragrance, and the projection is big, especially the first 2 hours is huge. Is a house filler, room filler, yes. Is more than an arm length around you for at least 2 hours. So very, very good performer because of those ambroxan and icy super. It lasts very, very long time, and it projects super heavy, okay? Highly recommended, but you need to bear in mind what I said. This one doesn't have an age because of the how the composition is. The only thing is, bear in mind a little bit of spiciness and also the dark leather, plus at the end it gets tiny bit darker, so you have to bear in mind with this. Otherwise, it doesn't have age. Doesn't this one is universal, anybody can wear it, and also no season for it. You can wear it in winter, in summer, heat or no heat. It's very, very versatile and very, very good. In terms of yes, it is a little bit on the formal side, but you can easily rock it in the casual side. Okay guys, so let's go to today's unboxing and first impression, and this is I don't think needs introduction. Many of you will know it, and the main reason for it is because of the bottle. The bottle is a little bit on the juvenile side, but I personally love it, and it's just something different. It gives you a smile when you look at it. And this one is from the brand, the Italian brand Moschino, or Moschino. Is it Moschino or Mosquito? Yeah, Moschino. So brand Moschino, and this is a Toy Boy. This came out 2019, and it is classified as Oriental Floral. So let's go and see how it goes. So this one is a tester, so the box is very, very simple. It doesn't have anything to talk about. And then we go to the main player, which is some people didn't like it, some people said this is ridiculous, but I absolutely love it. So this is 100 ml. As you can see, it's basically designed like a toy, and the cap is massive and very, very heavy, and it's a head of a teddy bear, and the rest is a body of teddy bear. And let's go with the atomizer. Very, very good atomizer. So I personally love the bottle. Yeah, I know it's a bit tacky, it's a bit juvenile, but I love it, and it's just because it's different. Okay, something different from what we get most of the times. So let's go with the first impression. This is Toy Boy. This is Eau de Toilette, Eau de Perfume, 100 ml. This one retails for £85, but you can find it from time to time discounted on different places, especially online. I paid something like £50 for it, so because it was the tester. And let's see. So first impression. Here we go. What a beauty! So first thing it hits me is the florals. The florals is huge in here. Let's see what kind of florals. Wow, it's like a green floral, but it's a rose, but the rose is got a green aspect to it. I don't know why, because maybe there's a combination of things in here gives it that green rose, okay? But it's a rose, it's beautiful. The rose is gorgeous in this. But again, you cannot escape the huge amount of ambroxan in here. Guys, unfortunately or fortunately, some people like ambroxan, some people don't. I am on the fence. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I think it's too much. But these days, almost 90% of what you get, the unboxing guaranteed. And it's all started from Dior Sauvage in what, 2014 or 2013. And after that, everybody started to utilize unboxing. So it's one of those things, but I can detect it right away. It's a huge amount of unboxing, almost maybe 70 to 80% of it is unboxing. Yeah, so the rose is gorgeous in here. If you like rose, you love this. I am a big fan of rose. I love florals. So it's up my alley, especially I'm a middle-aged man, and this is absolutely gorgeous for me. Although it's quite on the young side, okay? So the composition in a way that it can easily be unisex as well. So it is completely, to my nose, is unisex, although it's marketed towards men. But ladies can easily rock it because of the huge dose of florals, especially the rose. Big on the citrus right now. So the citruses are so big. The only thing is, because the rose is so overpowering, everything else is just secondary. So, but I can feel the citrus there because it's brightening the rose up, okay? So the citrus is bergamot, is lemon, is there's something like a grapefruit or mandarin orange as well, because it's giving it that zesty feel. Yeah, very zesty. Yeah, very zesty and very uplifting and very happy. So the beginning is so happy because of those elements. Very happy. But there are some spice underlying the rose. There are some spices bringing the rose up, and those spices could potentially put some people off. If you don't like something like maybe a nutmeg in here, or maybe even a clove in here, because I can smell something quite strong in terms of the spice, okay? But to me, this is absolutely gorgeous, especially the first impression for first sniff. Mamma mia, I'm loving it. Is up my alley. I love rose. I love fragrances that utilize rose in a big way, and this is you doing it in a massive way. It's a huge dose of rose. So if you don't like florals, this is absolutely not for you. But if you love florals like me, you absolutely love this one. Okay, so something green in the background again. Maybe it's a herbal aspect, or maybe it's a vetiver in here, because giving it a little bit of earthy green aspect, like a grassy feel. It's like, imagine this, okay? Imagine you're having a big bouquet of rose, and also you're sitting on a grass, and somebody mowing that grass. It smells like that. And also there are some trees around you which given that citrus blossomy feel to it as well, okay? So this is what I'm getting. This is the picture I'm getting, at least for first impression, for first sniff. But absolutely gorgeous to the max. And also there's very woody in the base. I think there is a cedar at least, or maybe sandalwood, because it's making it a little bit smoother. And there's a huge ambroxan, as I said, which is no escape from it, and it gives it a little bit of musky feel to it as well. So overall, for a first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I absolutely love this one. Let me see what the wifey would think of it because of that unboxing. Anyways, thank you very much, guys, for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative, if you find it valuable in any way or shape, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos. Share this video with others, and also hit that bell button for future uploads, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.